Hello guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy. So this is one of my yearly thing that I love to do, which is my journal review for the following year. So this is going to be my 2020. Yeah, it feels weird saying 2020 journal, and I'm also going to review the last one that I had for last year. So first of all, I got this last year. You've seen it all over. And I revealed it last year in a video, and I would say it is the best journal I've had in a long time. Compared to the other journal, it's just something about it that I really liked. I wasn't sure I was gonna like the inside because the paper is brown, and I've never used a brown journal paper. So having brown paper was just like so different for me, and I'm really happy that I selected it. It's been everywhere. I travel with it. I throw it all over the place, and it still look brand new. I've taken it to the coffee shop. I've had stuff spilled on it, and the leather still looks like nothing happened. It looks still perfect. It is. It comes in other three other colors. It comes in black, brown. This is the brown, white, and pink. Now I was tempted to get a pink, a white one too, but I'm thinking, oh my God, I don't know how that was gonna turn out. Even though this did well with without getting stained. I mean, it is dark, but white, you know, it's hard to really get away with white. But I do like white. The pen that came with it didn't last long, and it wasn't my favorite. It was just okay, but because I prefer a pen that's glide on the paper, and it didn't glide the way I wanted it to, so it was okay. Now, this package is what I was waiting for before I opened this one, because this one came real quick. So, let me tell you what's in this. So, guys, I'll have close up, but this is my 2020, what I would call my journal planner. This is going to be my journal ideas. For instance, you guys know I have a blog, and I always jot down ideas for blog posts for the future. Also for YouTube, I'm going to use this for that. I'm also going to use this for just in general, different ideas. And what I like is it's also leather, durable, and it's lined inside. It comes with bookmark in the middle. So it comes with one, and it is monogrammed. Now, I've never done anything with my channel name. Like, I've had my blog longer than I've had YouTube. I've had my blog, January will be 4 years that I've had comfycozyup.com, and I've never done anything with a monogram. So this, I was able to have Comfy Cozy Up and the 2020 on here. And I was so excited because it's the first time I've ever done anything with my channel name or anything. And if you guys know, my Instagram is the same name. My Twitter is the same name. I have a Facebook account that's the same name. Even my Snapchat, which I barely ever use, is the same name. And so I was super happy to be able to get one made with it. And it is durable. It's tough. It's a nice leather. You can throw it all over the place and it'll still be fine. So, to celebrate my 1K on the channel, I have two. So, I am giving these away to 2 of my subscribers. So all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel. That is it. And so you're gonna, in the comment section, just say you are entering, and just add either your Instagram or your Twitter name, because that's what I'm gonna reach out to you to let you know if you want one. But 2 people get this, and it is just gonna be, I think you're gonna like it. You're gonna be able to use it, especially if you are a reader, because I solely depend on Goodreads, and I realized that Goodreads can fall apart and I wouldn't remember all the books that I've read. And so I'm going to also track my books that I've read in here as well. But if you want to use it just for journaling, you can do that too, because it is a journal. But you know, I want to call it like my journal idea books, you know what I'm calling it. But yes, 2 of you guys, just let me know if you're interested, and I will pick 2 people and send you your own. So, and they're all the same. They're all the same. I haven't even opened all of them to see. Let me make sure. Yep, they're all the same. So, comfy cozy up. And I'm probably gonna order more to add for other future stuff that I want to do. Now the bigger box is something new. Before I open it, Mother, if you're watching this, you might want to click off right now. Bye bye, Mom. I get excited. Oh, there we go. We have here. So I went with the same company. And one is for my mother. Let's see. Well, for the right one too. So this one's my mother, which is this one. I love it. It's my favorite. So of course I want to share it and give it to my mother. I also have plans to give another one away. We'll see. Watch out for that. So this one is hers, and I'm not going to open it, but pretty much this is how it comes. And it does come with that pen that I was telling you about. And the same exact thing. So guys, it's so pretty. Yeah. So now let me share. Box is not the same. No, this box is bigger. So this is my new 2020 journal. When I saw this, because I was looking, and I was trying to look for something different, something I've never used before, a different style of journal. So when I saw this, I was just like, yeah, this is definitely nothing I've ever had. And it's one of those where I tried to bake one time, because I do have a collection of handmade junk journal that I've made. And I attempted one time, I was gonna do this, and then it was just like, oh, I don't feel like it. But I saw this on the website, and guys, I got an envelope journal, guys. I am super happy. Look at the stitchings. Same brown. They only had it in one color. I wish they had like another color, but they only had it in one. But guys, this is going to be so convenient. So of course, it's a snap-in, so it just snaps like it's a magnetic. So it comes with a pen. It's a brown pen. Wow, it looks like a wood. You know, of course it's probably plastic, but I'm hoping this one writes well. But either way, I'll put my own. And what I like is it comes with where you can put your phone if you choose. It has a wallet section, which I probably will never use, but I will never use for money purposes, but I will use it for like, sometimes I have little cards or little things that I want to put in my journal, or a little piece of paper that I write things on, and I'll put it in here. And then this is the booklet, which is, it's not white, it's like a yellow color, but it has page stuff in the front, and there's pretty much lining. But what I like about this also is I can replace the booklet anytime I'm done, because it comes out. So, and you can just have it by itself and do this. So whenever I'm finished and I want to get a fresh one, take this out and get a fresh one, and then put it back in. But I like this option that I get. And it also has an envelope. This has a side in where you can put stuff. Didn't notice that. That was pretty cool. So, yeah. So that is my 2020 journal. I'm excited. And of course, I can't give you a review on it because I haven't used it yet. So this will be like the similar one. Whenever I'm done, I will give you a review on how I like it. If it worked for me, I'll let you know. But all of these, I will leave a link in the description if you are interested in any of these journals that you want to get. Especially this, guys. I highly recommend it. All these journals are under $30. They're under $30, so they're affordable and they make great Christmas present. So this one, you know, I love this. This is just one of the best journals ever. And I love how it is on the side, the stitching and everything. I definitely think it's a great Christmas present. But I will leave all of these in the description, especially if you want to monogram your own journal. I'll leave where you can get it all done. They are all affiliate links, so if you use them, I'll appreciate it. It goes back into the bank and goes right back into buying books because that's all I do with them. But you know, and if you choose to use my links. But thank you guys for yeah, another journal moment. So bye guys. I don't even know how to end this. Bye guys.